Hello, ma'am. Good evening. How are you?
Hello, good evening, ma'am. I'm good. Thank you. And you?
Yeah, and I'm also fine. How can I assist you?
Yeah, actually, I'm looking for some skincare product and big earring and some rubber band.
Okay, I'll show you. Actually, ma'am, we have been many options for different skin type, like oily skin, dry skin, and combination skin. So, ma'am, may I know, ma'am, your skin type?
Okay, I think I have a combination skin, so you can show according to it.
Definitely, I'll show you. Yes, ma'am.
Mm. Is it a combination skin, ma'am? I can use.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so do you have any other option in this?
Yes, ma'am. We have.
Okay, I think this one is good for me.
Yes, ma'am. Please try.
Now, can you show me the earring?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Wow, you have a great collection. Hey, I need in silver color. So do you have?
Yes, ma'am. Silver.
This is suited for me. I think this looks good.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
ma'am. Great choice, ma'am.
Okay, so how much is it?
Yeah, actually 200 rupees.
200. It is too expensive.
No, ma'am, it's an reasonable.
No, I think it's expensive for me. And I always come to your shop only.
Okay, ma'am.
So can you give me a discount?
Okay, ma'am. You can pay only 150.
Okay, and how much is it?
50 rupees.
Okay, so I need some rubber band or pencil. Okay, I'll
Okay.
check this. Yes. So this is too big. So do you have a small one?
Yes. With the small size.
This is good. Okay, how much is it?
Only 5 rupees, ma'am.
Oh, it's too big. Mm, okay, that's it, I think. So you can talk.
200 rupees, ma'am.
Okay. So how can I pay you? Like cash or by online?
Your choice, ma'am. You can also payment online.
Okay, I will pay you by online. So can you show me the QR?
You can.
It's done.
Go from it. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Bye.